So, you're ready to build your dream 4-bedroom maisonette in Kenya. You have a number in your head, a figure you think is enough, but hold on. There's a common budgeting mistake that I see time and again, a blind spot that can burn over 2 million shillings and turn your dream into a stressful, stalled construction site. It starts with a simple statement, my budget is 8M, or I have 10 Met saved up. The problem is that number is just a guess. Most people don't actually know where that 8 or 10 million will go, stage by stage. So what happens? Halfway through the build, the money mysteriously disappears. The cost of the upper floor slab gives them a massive shock. The budget for finishes spirals out of control. And then the project stalls. The dream is put on hold indefinitely. If you don't have a detailed map for your money, you are guaranteed to overspend. So let's create that map right now. We'll use a standard 4-bedroom maisonette, roughly 200 square meters as our example. In today's market, the average build cost lands around cash 45,000 to 65,000 per square meter. That puts the total construction cost somewhere between 9 mil and 13 mil, depending heavily on your choice of finishes. But wait, before we even buy the first bag of cement, there are preliminary costs. Let's call them the non-negotiables, and they account for 5 to 8% of your budget. This includes your architect, your structural engineer, your quantity surveyor, and all the county permits and approvals. Skipping these professionals to save money is the first step to disaster. They are the ones who ensure your house is safe, legal, and efficiently designed. Now let's break down the build. Stage 1, foundation and substructure. This will consume 15 to 20% of your construction budget. This covers excavation, footings, hardcore, and the ground floor concrete slab. But be warned, this percentage is heavily influenced by your plot. Is it black cotton soil that requires a more expensive foundation? Is the land sloped? These site factors can easily inflate this stage. For a 10M build, you should budget about 1.5 to 2M here. Stage 2, the structure. This is the skeleton of your house covering both the ground and upper floors. It's a huge chunk, taking 25 to 30%. This is for all the columns, the beams, and that infamous suspended slab that shocks so many people with its cost. On our 10M budget, you need to allocate a hefty 2.5 to 3.5 mil for this stage. Stage 3, roofing. This is where your house starts to feel complete. Set aside 10 to 15%. Your choice here matters a lot. Timber or steel trusses, standard mabati or premium tiles. Remember, complex, fancy roof shapes cost significantly more in materials and labor. For our 10M house, this means around 1M to 1.8 Mets. Stage 4, windows and doors. This is about security and aesthetics, and it takes 8 to 12% of the budget. This includes your external aluminum or steel windows, the main security doors, and all the internal flush doors. On a 10M build, that's roughly 800K to 1.5 Mets. Stage 5, plumbing and electricals, the nervous system of your home. This will be 8 to 10%. This is for all the hidden pipes, the wiring, and the basic fixtures. Budget about 800K to 1.2 MO for this on our 10M project. Finally, stage 6, finishes. This is the most expensive and variable stage, eating up 20 to 25% or even more. This is where your personal taste comes in. The tiles, gypsum ceilings, paint, kitchen cabinets, and wardrobes. Expect to spend 2M to 3M plus, depending on how luxurious you want to go. That is the complete breakdown, the financial map most people never see until it's too late. So how do you control this budget without killing the dream? Here are 3 critical tips. 1. Simplify your design. Every extra corner, curve, and unnecessary balcony adds significant cost to your structure and roofing. A simple rectangular footprint is your best friend for budget control. 2. Phase your finishes. Prioritize getting the structure right. You can't easily fix a bad foundation, but you can always upgrade from basic tiles to premium ones later. Get a roof over your head first. 3. Lock in your design. Make all your decisions with your architect before the first shovel hits the ground. Changes made mid-construction are where budgets go to die. And always add a contingency fund of at least 10%. This isn't extra money, It's for the inevitable surprises that will happen. Here's a pro tip. Cash flow kills more projects than the final price tag. You must sequence your spending. Focus your funds to complete the foundation, then the structure, and then the roof. Once it's roofed, you can pause if you need to. A roofed shell is a secure asset. It protects your investment from the elements while you save up for the next phase, the finishes. So let's make this practical for you. What's your budget for a 4-bedroom maisonette? Drop that figure in the comments below. I'll read them and help you map it out line by line so you know exactly where your money should go. If this breakdown just saved you from a potential 2M shilling mistake, do me a favor, hit that like button and share this video with anyone you know who is planning to build. Let's help everyone build smart, not stressed.